Hello and welcome to Affiliate. So today we have compiled a list of 10 life hacks of chat that will change your life. These hacks are easy to implement, affordable, and can make a huge difference in your everyday life. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Hack 1: Time blocking. Time blocking is a technique where you divide your day into specific time slots to schedule your tasks. This method can help you become more productive, organized, and efficient. It allows you to prioritize your tasks and work towards achieving your goals. Hack 2: mindfulness practice. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment without judgment. Practicing mindfulness can help reduce stress and anxiety, increase self-awareness, and improve overall well-being. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice. Hack 3: create a budget. Creating a budget can help you manage your finances and prevent overspending. It allows you to see where your money is going and make adjustments accordingly. There are many online tools and apps that can help you create a budget easily. Hack 4: morning routine. Having a morning routine can set the tone for your entire day. It can help you feel more energized, focused, and productive. Incorporate activities that make you feel good, such as exercise, meditation, or reading. Hack 5: read more. Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge and improve your vocabulary. It can also help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Make it a habit to read for at least 30 minutes a day, whether it's a book, newspaper, or online article. Hack 6: sleep hygiene. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, avoid screens before bedtime, and create a relaxing sleep environment. Hack 7: digital detox. Taking a break from technology can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Set aside some time each day to disconnect from your phone, computer, and other devices. Hack 8: gratitude practice. Practicing gratitude can help improve mental health and overall well-being. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're thankful for, whether it's big or small. Hack 9: eat healthy. Eating a healthy, balanced diet can help improve energy levels, mental clarity, and overall health. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. Hack 10: stay organized. Staying organized can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Keep your living and workspaces tidy. Create a to-do list and prioritize tasks. Outro. So there you have it, 10 life hacks that can change your life. These hacks are easy to implement and can make a big difference in your everyday life. Try incorporating some of these tips into your routine and see how they can benefit you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on new videos, and it really helps support my channel. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.